So today we will discuss on how to solve for the mean, variance, and standard deviation of a discrete random variable. So mean of a discrete random variable, it is the expected value of a discrete random variable x is computed using the formula. So you will use this formula in order to compute for the mean of a discrete random variable. So the formula is ito. Formula, we have E of x equals the summation of the quantity of x times p times x. Okay, that is the formula in finding the mean of a discrete random variable where x ito, where x is a discrete random variable and x is the outcome or the value of a random variable, variable, and p of x, that is probability of the outcome x. So example number 1, we have a random variable x has this probability distribution. So the value of x is 0, 1, 2, and 3, and the probability of the outcome x is 0.13, 0.44, 0.34, and 0.09 respectively. So find the mean or the expected value of x. So we will make a table. So this is the value of x, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is the probability of the outcome x. Ito na yung given natin, probability and the value of x. So to find the value of the mean of a discrete random variable, we will multiply this one. We will multiply ito, the value of x, to p of x dito. So 0 times 0.13, so that is equivalent to 0. 1 times 0.44, that is 0.44, and 2 times 0.34, that is equivalent to 0.68, and 3 times 0.09, that is 0.27. Then we will find the total sum. So total sum of x times p of x equals, so that is 0.44 plus 0.68 plus 0.27, so that is 1.39. So what is the formula in order to find the value of the mean or the expected value of x? So formula is E times x equals summation of x times p of x. What is the total sum? So the total sum is 1.39. So this is the expected value. So ito yung expected value, or ito yung mean value. So ito na yung sagot natin, 1.39. Okay, so next, this one. So variance and standard deviation of a discrete random variable. So variance of a random variable x is denoted by sigma squared. This is the symbol for the variance. Sigma. Ito. Sigma squared. This one. And the variance of a random variable is expected value of the square of the difference between the assumed value of the random variable and the mean. The variance of x is ano yung variance of x? So formula is ito. So formula is the sigma squared equals total sum of the quantity of x subtract the value of the mean of the population squared times p of x. So this is the formula in order to find the variance of the discrete random variable, where x is outcome and this one is population mean. Ito, population mean. Population mean ito. Population mean read as mu. Mu. And p of x, that is the probability of the outcomes. So we have next, the standard deviation by discrete random variable x is written as sigma. So the symbol for the standard deviation is represent this symbol, sigma. Ito, sigma. It is the square root of the variance. So pag makuha natin yung value ng variance, then squared lang natin, square root. So that is the value of the standard deviation. So formula in finding the standard deviation, it is the square root of the variance. So ito, square root of the variance. So symbol sigma equals square root of variance. Yung formula kanina, that is this one, quantity of x minus the population mean squared times p of x. So it is the square root of the variance. So example number 2, find the variance and the standard deviation of the following probability mass function. So we have given the value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and their corresponding probability is 0.12, 0.25, 0.18, 0.35, and 0.10 respectively. So we will find the variance and the standard deviation of the following probability mass function. So we have, first step, we have to find the expected value. So anong expected value natin? That is the value of the mean of a discrete random variable. Step number 2, you need to subtract the expected value from its outcome. So that is the value of x. Then you need to square the difference. Then multiply its squared variance by the corresponding probability. Then step number 4, you need to sum up all the figures. Sum up all the figures obtained in step number 3. So this one. So in order to find the standard deviation or the variance of a random variable or discrete random variable, first we need to find the expected value. Ano yung expected value natin? So that is the value of the mean. So tingnan natin dito sa taas, x times p of x. So 0 times 0.12, so that is equivalent to 0. This one 0, this one is 0.25, and 2 times 0.18, that is equivalent to 0.36, and 3 times 0.35, that is 1.0 5 and 4 times 0.10, that is 0.40. So pag i-add natin lahat ito, that is the value of the expected value or the mean of the random variable, discrete random variable. So we will find the total sum. So that is x times p of x. So that is equals to this one equals. So that is 2.06. So that is the value of the mean or the expected value. So nung unahin natin dito x, so ano yung value ng x is 0, subtract the value of the mean, that is 2.06, then this one 1 minus 2.06, 2 minus 2.06, 3 minus 2.06, 4 minus 2.06. So that is equals to negative 2.06 equals, this one is negative 1.06 and this one equals 0.06 and this one equals 0.94 and this one is 1.94. So next, x minus the value of the population mean squared. So squared lang natin ito by itself. Squared lang ito natin. Ito squared lang. So that is equivalent to negative 2.06 times negative 2.06. So that is equivalent to 4.24. Okay. This one, negative 1.06 times negative 1.06, that is positive 1.12. And next, that is 0.0036. And next is 0.88. And next, that is 3.76. So that is the squared of x minus the population mean. Next, this one. Tingnan nyo sa taas. X minus the value of the mean squared times p of x. So 4.24 times 0.12. So that is 0.509. This one times 0.25, so that is equivalent to 0.281. This one times 0.18, so that is equivalent to 0.0064. And this one and this one multiply, so that is 0.309. And last, 3.76 times 0.10, that is 0.3776. Then find the total. So ang total niyan is 1.4764. So that is the summation of x minus the value of the mean squared times p of x. So that is your variance. Ito yung variance natin. And yung standard deviation natin is the square root of the variance. So square root of 1.4764 square root, so that is equal to 1.2151. So ito na yung standard deviation natin, ito yung variance natin, and ito yung mean natin or the expected value. Pasensya na kayo sa maingay. Okay, that's all for today.